Hi everyone, this is Swanky Markets with the analysis for Friday the 14th of May 2010. Apologies this is late, but I have had major computer problems this afternoon and it's only now I'm able to do the video, so this is going to be late going out. I do apologise. Markets are very tricky, as I said the other day. I think we're still seeing that. You must be patient, and there are traders losing their shirt as we speak because they're not being patient. Do not be one of them. I've made a video on logical entries that will be posted probably now early tomorrow morning by the time I get it rendered, because I want to get this one out first to show you what I'm looking for on the lower time frames. Because I'm getting some of you are emailing me about this and about that, and it's all got to do with getting in off logical entries. So I've made that video. I'll put it on YouTube. Either it'll probably be tomorrow morning about 7 a.m. I'll start uploading it GMT. So anyway, your daily target should only be 20 to 30 pips. If you do that consistently, then you will make a good living. Once in a while, trades like we had last week or the GBP today come along, or some of the pennant breakouts we have had today have just started. You get a piece of that, you're doing well. And if you're in this trade today, you also have a bonus. So I'll just prove an example to you. If I was to say to you, I will give you 10k right now, or I will give you a penny and I will double that amount for a month, which one would you take? 10k right now or a penny? If I gave you a penny every day and I doubled it, there it is, all doubling up each day for 30 days, you would have just under £5.4 million at the end of 30 days. So 20 pips a day add up. Don't forget that as your account gets bigger, your lot size will get bigger. Don't be greedy. So anyway, watch the logical videos tomorrow. Anyway, let's on to today. Pound dollar. I said if there was a honeymoon, it would be short-lived. If we go to the 1 hour, this honeymoon lasts 6 hours. It's the shortest honeymoon I've ever heard of in my life. Anyway, it's bombing down. I said last night if it got up to 150, I'd be definitely interested in shorting it. I didn't. I shorted it here. Look at the logical videos in the morning. I go through this step by step, this trade, and hopefully you can bring that into your trading. So, and I also show you how to use the rage indicator, which is over here on the far side, which I think is out of the screen, so I'll do a video on that too in a minute. So what you need to do tomorrow is you need to look at these logical levels on the 1 hour, look at the video in the morning, okay? On the US dollar, right, if this candle stopped here now, where would I look to get in tomorrow, right? It's down near the bottom. You could use the NPB method. Don't forget your target is only down here. You're going to have a lot of resistance there, I think. Well, you might have a bounce and then break through, because we expect this to go down further. But if you fib this daily candle, this is the 1779495 level, which was previous resistance, and we couldn't close below it. Well, now we have. If you fib this candle here, and what we're looking for is confluence areas. Hold on, let's go too far there. Sorry, guys. Confluence areas. So, why is wrong with this, man? Alright, let's go up to here. Right, if I look here, the 61.8 is the 47.84. 47.79 is the level we were looking at, so that's close enough for me. 50 is at 47.43. So, 47.79 is a good area. I'll probably have a sell order there tomorrow to scale back in. I'm already in this. If we get up there, I will be looking to add more in. But then I will also go, and when I wake up in the morning, to my 1 hour, and I will have a look at where these pivots are in the morning. This pivot indicator I've attached to the email that goes out tonight. If you don't get our emails, go to this website, the page that's holding it while the website's being built. Sign up to the email, and you get things like that sent out to you once in a while. So that is what I'll be looking for tomorrow. You either do the NPB, or I'm looking for a 50%. Hopefully a spike through to get me in up here. So that area is where I would prefer to look at, or an MPB. And then I will also look at those areas. I will look to see where my CP is tomorrow, hardest pivot to break, and I will look for areas that coincide with those areas I just said, and I will be looking at those areas like a hawk. So that's what you need to do. Euro dollar. Euro dollar, this is the daily, finally broken. Looks like we're going to close below the 126,000. So tomorrow what you need to do is the same thing. You can either use the NPB method or you could fib this candle. 50% is right on 1.26. I'll have a sell order there to scale more into this trade tomorrow. If we look on the 4 hour, right at the bottom here, just pinged right off it. This could ping up a bit, but it is not pinging as much as here. That shows me there's not as many buyers. I will also go to my 1 hour and I will look at my pivots, especially where my CP is, and I will look for confluencing areas. It's where to get in. This looks like it might close down around here. Could open up a little bit to 23.6 and down. I will be looking, I would prefer a pull back to 1.26 thousand. I'll have a sell order there just in case. Euro yen 4 hour has broken out. I'm in this from earlier on off the laptop, the trusty laptop, and everything goes wrong. So my target is there, conservative target is there, and I'm leaving it go. If you're not in this, again tomorrow, same thing. You will have to get your pivots out and you will have to look for areas. Now this pair this week has been an absolute nightmare while it's been in this pennant. It has not really respected the pivots as much. It's bounced up. I mean, that was a good bounce there. 161 pips. So this one came up off the CP and then crashed through it again. So this is downward bound. We know that. It's just where you got to get in tomorrow. So you're going to have to play this one by ear. You might get a pull back to one of these EMAs. You might not. Swissy leaving it too near the top. It's too near the top there for me, leaving it. Not for me, but tomorrow between 4:30 and 5 o'clock GMT, watch this pair. If the Swiss National Bank come in, they'll push it to the moon. They might not, because it is starting to move up on its own. So watch that pair. Euro pound, very tricky at the moment. I was looking today, I said 86.00 last night. I'm still looking at 86.00. I might push that a bit higher. I said today I was also looking 85.50, and I almost took it. We had a rejection there, and the fact that my PC went down and I was doing my head in, my sell order was 86. If my PC hadn't gone down, I would have got that. I would have been up 20 pips, seeing it bounce off there, seeing this thing here, and I might probably be out of this now. I might have taken a few pips loss on this if I got in. So I'm still looking at 86.00. Might push it a little bit higher, but that is where I will look tomorrow. This line here is 86.00. This is starting to look a little bit bullish. So I will see. I might move my sell order a little bit higher to 86.50 and see how it reacts. Again, I will watch the pivots. Okay, top of this pivot, it hasn't closed below the central pivot for 2 days, so we'll watch it tomorrow. Aussie dollar, 4 hour pennant. 4 hour pennant still in it, double wall. I want this to go south. I will not take it if we go north. Too much wood. 55, all these are Braden, weekly 55 EMA there. So if it goes through there, it's got to break up to there, then it's got that, then it's got that. It's too much for me. If this breaks south, I'm in. So break out of this pennant, retest to the line, in I go. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for a northbound trade. If it goes north, I'll miss the trade, so what? Aussie dollar yen, yeah, this tested. I tweeted this when this was testing. Somebody emailed me or tweeted me about it, and by the time I got it, it was about higher up. They want to know if they could get in, and by the time I got it, I was back online for a little while. I went off again, didn't I? That's right, they were tweeting me about shorting here, and I said I would wait for it break at the CP. It broke the CP. I would not have taken it there because it closed right on it. Here, closed below. You've had a retest and it's pulling away. That coincides here with this, so in that for a short. So that's a good place to go short. And EuroCAD is just away, too far. Just leave it go. So tomorrow, be very, very careful. 20 pips a day is all you're aiming for. Be very careful. As long as the PC is up and running tomorrow, I will try and tweet when I enter trades tomorrow. It's just trying to get it done because everything's mental. I don't want to make a habit of it because that is not what doing this is about. Doing this is about you start to see areas to get in and you educate yourself and discipline yourself. But tomorrow I will try and tweet my orders as I put them in. Okay, take care. Have a good day.